Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really cool Asian style roasted sesame potatoes. Bit of a mouthful, but look, these things are really easy to do. Look, let's just get on with it. Here I've got about 1 kilo of potatoes. I'm using some red russets. You could use whatever potatoes you like. I'm going to cut those in half, and then I'm going to do a little weird 30 degree diagonal cut sort of deal like that, and I'm going to make these really nice cool wedges. So just in half, and then get sort of like a third of the way down, cut those on an angle down towards the center, just like that. A little bit of practice might be required, but look, these aren't very hard to do at all. If you're not confident in cutting them this way, just cut them into quarters. Okay, so we're going to continue cutting all of our potatoes. We're going to use around about 1 kilo for this particular side dish, and these are perfect. These go great with a barbecued steak or a kebab or whatever. Right? They're just a little bit of a different take on doing the normal boring potato. Right, so just keep going along with the rest of your potatoes, just like that. A little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to add in around a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half, around about 2 tablespoons worth of sesame oil. That's going in, and all the kiddies, of course, as you can see, are in the pool in a bowl. 2 to 3 crushed cloves of garlic, and a good sprinkle of salt. Right, the potatoes really can handle a good dose of salt. Right, so give that all good sprinkle. Mrs. KP has already got the oven sitting at 180 degrees Celsius. You can cook these at 200, 180. Cooking them just a little bit longer is not going to hurt. Right, we've got all those ingredients in. We're going to give all of those a good tossy toss, just like that. Make sure all of those ingredients are incorporated and covered all the potato pieces as much as possible. Alright, so it's not really hard to do this one at all, and if you haven't tried doing potatoes in a different way, why not? Because these ones taste amazing. Right, we're going to start layering our potatoes in a single layer into a baking dish or baking tray. I've lined that with a little bit of baking paper just to make cleanup a little bit easier. Okay, and look, it's one of the best inventions in the world as far as I'm concerned, the baking paper. It saves so much cleanup. All you have to do is when you're finished, take the baking paper out. You might have to give it a bit of a quick wipe out with a bit of warm water, but you won't need to go scrubbing everything. Make sure you get all those seasonings in with the potato. Make sure we get all that garlic in, get all that salt in, and all we have to do now is basically get those, and we're going to put those in the oven in just a second. I'm going to add in a little bit of dried chives straight over the top, and that's going to add another little layer of flavor. Now you could add a little bit of sesame seed if you want to. Nothing wrong with that. That will also work out quite nicely. Right, in the oven around about 20 minutes to 30 minutes or so, or until they start to soften up. And I'm just going to give these a little bit of a turn, right, so we get a little bit of even coverage. So it's been about 20 minutes or so, and we're going to just get these back into a layer. Once we've given them a little bit of a stir, they're going to go back in the oven for around another 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are cooked to your liking. I like mine where a skewer will just go through it nicely. Alright, so Mrs. KP is going to put those straight back in. 20 minutes later, they come out. Look at the beautiful golden color on that. And we've got one little more ingredient that we're going to add to these potatoes, and that's going to be a little bit of ketchup mayonnaise. And all I'm going to do is give the potatoes a little bit of a drizzle with a little bit of ketchup mayonnaise all over the top. Just a nice little drizzle, and that's going to add a little nice sweet salty flavour to these particular potatoes. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is really easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get known at KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And there goes my ketchup mayonnaise on my potatoes, just nice and light. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a really cool little fusion side dish just like this one, well, to come and join the family, my family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to serve my Asian style roasted sesame potatoes with another dish that I've already created, and I will catch you next time. Bye.